Some students are making a whole lot of killing online. They make a whole lot of money online, but they are using just their phone, just a smartphone. Okay, they use just their phone, no laptop, nothing. They make use of their phone and they get money online consistently. How do they do these things? I'm going to share with you in this video, right? I mean, it's no longer news. People make a lot of money online with their smartphone, and in this video, we will find out exactly how they do it and how you can do it even better. I'm going to make something clear here. Now, there are millions of ways via which you can make money online. Most of these opportunities were not available back in the days when someone like me was a student. All right, so I finished school, I think, some 10 years ago or thereabout. Most of the opportunities that are available now were not so rampant then. The opportunities were available then, but the information were limited. The awareness was limited. But today, everyone should be aware of the opportunities around them. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways that students are making money online with their phone, and how you can also tap into these opportunities and even get better results than some of them. All right. My name is Courage. I'll ask you to please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Just tap on your screen, yeah? Like this video so that it can reach more people who will also learn from this knowledge that we'll be sharing today. And of course, more lives will be transformed. Without wasting time, guys, let's dive into why we are here. So the first thing that students do is freelancing. Okay, they do freelancing. Students make money online by providing services on freelance platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, name it. Okay, now these things are simple. Let me tell you how you can go about these things. First, you need a skill that you can offer on these online spaces. It could be copywriting, it could be video editing, it could be voiceover, it could be transcribing, right? It could be transcribing. So it could just be even graphic design, in anything at all that you can offer. It could be ghostwriting. So you simply go on Google and search for freelancing platforms that allows Nigerians. If you're watching from Ghana, you can search for freelancing platforms that allows Ghanaians. Let me show you what I mean. Freelance jobs in Nigeria. Okay? Freelance platforms in Nigeria, in Africa, like Fiverr, Upwork, freelance platform for developers, for designers. So you can search. There are different keywords that you can employ, that you can use, and then this is Fiverr, freelance Nigerian services online here. So this one says top 10 freelance sites and marketplace for freelance jobs in Nigeria. So you see, so you go online and you find these ones, okay? And then you find out their mode of payment. It's very important that you find out their mode of payment also, so that when you work, you be rest assured that the money you are working for, you are going to receive it, so that you don't get stuck at payment module. All right. So people go on freelance platforms, they offer their services and they get paid. That's the basic one. That's the most common one. Let's get to the next. Social media management. This one is huge. It looks very simple when you say it, but the money that people make from here is huge. I'm saying this because I have done this. I've done this. I'm not doing it now, right? But I manage social media pages for businesses in the aviation sector, in the travel and tours, in agriculture, in fashion, in beauty, skincare, stuff like that. Okay, so I've managed even personal brands. So social media management can easily be done using your smartphone, and it doesn't cost much to learn and start it. All you need is willingness to learn, because you need to learn, okay? You need a smartphone, and of course you need internet, and then you need you need common sense. You need better opolo. You need common sense, because there are things that you should easily be able to research on and come up with content ideas. Now, if you want to learn social media management and become a social media manager, a profitable one, not just all these quick ones. If you want to become a profitable social media manager, I've made 2 videos on this topic. The first video is how to become a profitable social media manager. All right. The second one is how to find clients. how to get clients, because you are a social media manager, fine. Then who are you serving? How do you get the clients? Do you get? So these two videos, I'm going to link them in the description below, and I will link it up here as you are watching it. How to be a social media manager and how to get clients for your social media management business. In fact, in that video, I highlighted how you can put up your pricing structure, your content structure, and everything that will make it easier for you to get clients and start making money being a social media manager as a student. All you need to achieve this result is this. All you need is this. Your phone, your smartphone only. Third one is content creation. Brands need to continuously put out content. And the truth is, most of these brands, they don't do it themselves. Most of these businesses, the owners are busy. The owners are busy for real. So they tend to hire people to handle this area of their business for them. Students make some good money by creating content for online businesses. Now, there are different kind of contents that you can create. Some require that you write blog posts for them. I have written blog posts for some businesses and I got paid. Some require that you just create normal content for them, like their daily posts. So you can schedule, you can batch produce posts. Like if you know their business very well, you can produce different kind of posts, batch produce it, save it on your notes, send it to them so that they can be picking from there and posting. I did this one for one travel and tours business back in 2018, 2019. Okay, two travel and tours. So I batch produce content. Like I create content, daily content, 3 contents every day that they're going to be posting. So I just those are just captions. What my agreement for them was Instagram caption. I'll be giving them Instagram captions. Yeah. So I created these captions. So I push this caption to the owners of the business. So every day they pick from there. They go to Monday, they see the Monday caption morning, they pick it. Second one they pick, third one they pick, and they keep posting. Simple. At the end of the month, you get paid. You don't need any special skill for this. Content creation, different ways. Your own could be video content creation using TikTok, yeah, or it could be just written words. Whatever it is, content creation pays a lot of money because it's not all business owners that know how to create content. They don't know how to write captions on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Facebook. You will find them there. Create content for them, and they pay you, and everyone is happy. The fourth one is basic video editing and transition effects. This one is the work of most of these people who have conversant with TikTok. Okay, but I mean, there are different apps that you can use to do video editing, massive and good video editing that give you good results. On your phone, you can use the VN video editing app. You can use CapCut. CapCut is owned by the same company that owns TikTok. So these things are easy. Once you learn how to wow business owners with your basic video editing skill, you don't need to do all this Adobe Premiere, whatever. Yeah, simple phone video editing skills that you can do with your phone. Simple skills that you can do with this thing here called a phone, a smartphone. You can download CapCut. There's InShot. There is VN. Different ones that you can use. Okay, you can know how to create these transition videos on TikTok where somebody can, as you're wearing a cloth now, once you just touch it and fling it now, another cloth is coming on your body and that one is flinging up. Or as you're dropping a cloth, as the cloth is dropping on the floor, you are coming up and then it's like you are wearing it. All those transition effects. People cannot do it. Business owners cannot do it. They pay people to do it so that they can promote their brand. If you are very good at TikTok, if you are very good at doing these things, you should not be broke as a student. Reels, you can do it for TikTok, you can do it for Instagram Reels, because Reels are taking over, TikTok is taking over, and businesses are coming down into these platforms, using these platforms to promote their offers. So if you can do these things, then you are in money already. People will hire your services. They're not employing you because they cannot pay your salary. If you are good at your service, if you are good at your skill, if you are good at the expertise that you possess, people would hardly be able to afford your salary. So what they do is that they hire you based on contract and they pay you to deliver jobs for them. So you can have 5 companies that you deliver jobs for differently and they pay you. You learn these things on your phone. Come on YouTube, learn how to edit with. See, these things, you don't even need to watch videos to learn how to edit. Common sense. That's why I said common sense is necessary. Like you'll be seeing everything is written there. The how to do overlay, how to bring in B rolls for the video, different kind of stuff that you need to learn and make money as a student. Even if you're not a student, these things are skills that you should possess, and once you have these skills, you will make money. I promise you. The fifth one is basic graphic designing with Canva. This one, all of us know this one. You can offer this skill to numerous industries like real estate, travel and tours, agriculture, transportation, e-commerce. Basic graphics designing with Canva. Simple. The guy who designs my real estate flyer, I pay them every month. I pay them some good amount of money every month. Not 10,000, not 20, not 30, not 40, not 50. I pay them some good just to design flyers for my real estate. Just normal online flyers. They design, they send it to me. I use it. Simple. How many are designing in a month? They do it with their phone and Canva. And they get paid. So imagine that if these guys now have like 5 to 10 people that they design for every month. And let's assume that these people are paying them maybe 50K a month. So it means that if you're designing for 5 people in a month, you're making 250K with your phone as a student. So what stops you from downloading Canva, learning how to use Canva for graphics design, for creating slides? Because you can use Canva to create slides for online course creators. You can use Canva to create these flyers for any kind of business. What stops you from learning these things? All of these apps are here on your phone. All right? All of these apps are here on your phone. So open your phone, begin to explore the power of this thing called a phone, called a smartphone. It's called a smartphone for a reason, because it does some smart work. And you having a common sense and bringing these things together, adding this opolo and this thing, you become unstoppable. All right? So please, as you're watching this video, ensure that you don't just watch and comment. Take action. Take action and your life will change. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video. Also leave a comment, ask your question. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer you here in the comment section. Share this video with as many people you know will find it very helpful. You can follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram at Courage Ingele. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.